Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TikTok login issues. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. First, check that your phone has a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Open a browser and load a website to confirm the internet is actually working. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your network. Restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that can block the TikTok login screen. Go to your phone settings and set date and time to automatic to prevent security sign-in errors. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and update TikTok to the latest version. If TikTok is already updated, open TikTok and force close the app completely. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TikTok, then tap Force Stop. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe TikTok away to close it. Reopen TikTok and try logging in again with the same method you used before. If you use email or username, double-check spelling and remove any extra spaces. If you use a phone number, confirm you selected the correct country code. If you use Google, Apple, or Facebook login, make sure that account is active and signed in on your phone. Turn off any VPN or proxy app because it can trigger TikTok security blocks. Disable ad blockers or DNS filtering apps that might prevent TikTok from reaching its servers. Check TikTok server status by searching TikTok down and see if there is a current outage. If servers are down, wait and try again later because the issue is not on your device. If servers are fine, clear TikTok cache from inside TikTok settings and privacy, then cache and cellular, then free up space. On Android, also clear the app cache and settings, apps, TikTok, storage, then clear cache. Do not clear data unless you are ready to sign in again and reset local app settings. Make sure TikTok has permission to use mobile data and Wi-Fi in your phone's app settings. Enable SMS permission if you log in with a verification code sent to your phone. Try the Forgot Password option and reset your password using your email or phone number. Check your email inbox and spam folder for any verification or security messages from TikTok. If you see too many attempts, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes and then try once. Try logging in from a different device or from a different network to isolate the problem. If your account is locked or banned, use TikTok's in-app report a problem page to appeal and request help. As a last quick fix, uninstall TikTok, restart your phone, then reinstall TikTok and log in again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.